Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, but before we go fully into it, I would like to say that congratulations to those of you that took the trade for today's analysis. Okay, the analysis we posted in the morning. Okay, congratulations to you all. I saw all your trading results. Most of you even made more than $200, and that's amazing. And we have just a few that made below $200, and it's still very cool. It's due to their trading capital, and I'm really happy about that. And of course guys, more of that will come out on this particular platform. Okay, but before I go fully into today's our activities, into today's video, okay, I would like you guys to know that this video is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content we are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay guys, these are the assets I will be checking out tonight, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, kindly I mean, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. If you are not having, you may need to get yours, but if you are having, then follow up with the analysis. Okay, this had been on downtrend for a very long time, had the pullback around there, but went back down. Okay, in the morning I told you if it's not breaking above this resistance zone, then it will break below this support zone. You can see it broke out below this support zone and it sold for a very long time. Okay, that will have given you lots of profits. Okay, and of course it has gotten to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from there. Okay, so it's most likely for it to go back on buy trend, but if it breaks out below this support zone, it will keep on selling. Okay, so we are most likely to have more of a buying opportunity if it does not break out from that resistance zone. Okay, I mean from that support zone. Okay, so quickly let's go back to the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. Okay, this was an uptrend before, but got to this resistance zone and had a pullback, went back a little bit up, and of course came back down. And of course in the morning I told you if it breaks out below this trend line, then it's going to sell and gets to this region. And of course if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. You can see it's broke out below all those lines, and of course gave us more profits right from there. And of course guys, it has got into this support zone. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, but this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, so I will advise you for you to wait. Okay, but if you are still trading, you can lock up 80% of your trading activities while we see it, while we try to check out if it's going to break out below the support zone or it will change the direction of the trend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is crash 1000, and crash 1000 started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, had the pullback and played around there for a while, and of course went back up to break out above that. And of course guys, it has got into this resistance zone. Okay, still buying. If it's able to break out from that resistance zone, it will buy more, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment, even though this might not be for a very long time. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and of course the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right from here. Crash 500 had been on downtrend for long, but it has gotten to this support zone and has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on buy trend. So we expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out above it, it should get to somewhere here. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. This is V75. It has been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course it is still buying. It has gotten to this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, definitely it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so this is very important. These are all the assets that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, and of course make sure you give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.